Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, what we should do is check if you have the last software version. So open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to the settings at the right top. At the last line we have update firmware. It's the same. Firmware is the same as software, so you need to tap on it and check for updates. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Right here you will see a circle, and you just tap on it with download. You just tap on it and it will install update for you. Now, if it didn't help you to update software version, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case. After that, we need to press and hold at the both of the touch areas, and the touch area is located where we have the SOUNDCORE logo. And until the LED light with your right and left earbuds flashed red 3 times rapidly. So let's press and hold on it. Here we go. Now we can release the finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings and the Bluetooth. Right here click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android near to your earbuds at the device list. And forget this device and forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that just remove your earbuds from the device list. After a factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so we will see it at the device list. Now tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!